In business news, signs of recovery in Singapore's manufacturing sector, even as output continues to decline for the 12th straight month. September's reading saw factory activity slide 2.1% on year, improving from the 11.6% in August. Now, output for almost all sectors fell. The biomedical industry was the worst performer, with production plunging nearly 19% compared to a year ago. And that's because of a different mix of pharmaceutical ingredients were produced. The bright spot, though, in September's print was the transport engineering sector, which saw an over 13% increase, lifted by more shipyard activity and higher demand for maintenance of aircraft parts as travel resumes. The electronics cluster also jumping over 10%, led by growth in consumer electronics and semiconductors. One economist says that this could potentially be a turning point for the electronics manufacturing sector, which has seen output fall nearly 7% since January.
Singapore being a small and open economy, it's very much dependent on how global growth is performing, as well as how ASEAN, is doing. And, essentially we are seeing that both, global semiconductor demands, as well as the uptick in ASEAN trade numbers are actually very strong evidence for a better Singapore-centric backdrop into the fourth quarter, if not into next year.